Hi, I'm Mefian. Please click like and subscribe for more mathematics lessons. The lessons are fractions change to percentage and percentage change to fraction. Fraction change to percentage. To multiply 100. Use the fraction multiply. Down divide, up multiply. Remember to divide first. Multiply with 100. 100 to divide by fraction denominator. Multiply numerator. That's the percentage answer. Fraction whole number, no need to multiply with number. 1 is 100%. 5 is 500%. 10 is 1000%. 1 and 3 over 5 is to multiply with 100. (160%). 5 and 3 over 5 is 560%. Percentage divide 100 to become the percentage. The denominator will be always equal 100. Remember to simplify. Three digit in percentage. 100 place, no need to count. Then it will be the whole number. Just simplify the fraction. It becomes the mixed number.